Welcome back, guys. So this episode we're going to go fetch. That's my dad to the left, my buddy Andres to the right. We're on our way to go fetch my dad's old 31 Chevy that he hot-rodded back in 62. By hot-rodding, I meant he was driving it with the normal Chevy motor and it blew up, so he got hold of a 1948 Armstrong Siddeley Sapphire, took all the mechanicals out and bolted into the Chevy. Front suspension, gearbox, transmission, engine, differential, all of that stuff. And here you see the Chevy taking it out of the barn. It's been standing since 93. I'll put a link in the description below for where we started it back in 2012 with a local TV show. And yeah, there you see it. And next to it is the old 33 International woody pickup. More on that one at the later stage. Here we're loading the old Chevy and heading back to the workshop. Cool thing about this car, my dad took my mom on their first date with the car a couple of days after he actually purchased it from my uncle. Got it running, and yeah, the rest is history. This car started all for my dad in motoring and stuff. As I said, he hot-rodded back in 62, did a few quarter-mile racing with it, hill climbing, etc. And now we're gonna get the old Chevy up and running again. And all of that after standing for 30 years. More on the Chev and the future episodes. Cheers.